Welcome to the video, guys. Today I'm gonna show you an easy song. It doesn't matter how long you've been playing the guitar for. Maybe even you started learning, let's say 2 weeks ago, and you just want to pick up the guitar and start playing. Here's a song that doesn't require you any really much flexibility. For example, when it comes to playing chords, it's gonna be a lot harder because your fingers aren't flexible, right? So I got this perfect song that will help you out, called Smoke on the Water. Hopefully that's what it's called, right? I hope that's what it's called. But it sounds like this, right? It's an easy song. I'm pretty sure you could get this done in like 5 minutes. With practice, you'll definitely get this done for sure. And that's a check mark off your list, right? So let's get to it. The first thing you want to do is get this thing is called a power chord. Power chord looks like this. Only involves 3 strings and only 3 fingers, actually. Thinking about it, yeah. So your first finger will be on the E string 3rd fret. And watch my posture here, right? My thumb is gonna be on the middle of the back of the fret board. What thingy? Damn, I don't even know the name of it. Okay. Okay. So what you want to do is get your first finger here on the E string 3rd fret. Now get your 3rd finger on the A string 5th fret, and your pinky on the D string 5th fret as well. And that's it. That's literally it. Be sure to bend your wrist, because if you keep it right here, it's going to be really hard for you. So keep it down here low and relax. The first objective is just to get that sound right. That's it. Just play it, and then you get that first check mark off the list, all right? Now we're gonna move on to the next chord. It's gonna be right here. So use the fretboard as your guide. Basically, this is a whole mirror. So you got the 1st fret right here, the 1st dot, right? And now we're gonna go to the white dot right here. It's gonna be right next to the 2nd dot, the 2nd black dot. Or if you're gonna say it on 3rd, 5th, on the 6th fret. But here's what I'm doing. I'm not taking off my fingers. My fingers are not getting removed at all. I want you to keep your fingers on the frets. So as you slide, you're keeping it's gonna be a lot less harder for you, right? So that's the 2nd note right here. Now the 3rd note will be right here. How I like to do it is just look at the dots and the white spaces. Try to memorize that, the black dots and the white spaces. So as you can see right here, black space, black dot, white space, white space. Notice how the white spaces are a lot closer to each other, all right? So keep that in mind. Use clues to help you and make this a lot easier for you. I don't know, counting the frets for me is just too much, right? Well, not too much, but you get what I'm saying. Okay, so right here. Okay, now we're gonna head to the 2nd part. The 2nd part goes like this. To do the 2nd part, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the same thing right here. The only difference, pay closely attention right here, this part, because if you don't, you're gonna miss it. You're gonna be right here, and I'm gonna go all the way over here. So for example, 1, 2, then. I'll go to the dot and then to the white space, all while keeping my fingers on the strings. That's it. All right, let me do that 2nd part one last time. And that's it. Now we head back to the 1st part again. Head to the 2nd part. Head to the 1st part again. And now we're gonna finish with the close. The close is gonna be just like this. You're just heading right back to the beginning. So for example, so it's gonna be right here. You're gonna basically end right here. Head back to the other white space, which is the 6th fret, and then to the black dot, the 1st fret. So it'd be like, there it is. That's not, if you have it, if you break this down, it'll be a lot more easier than trying to do this whole thing at once. So break things into pieces. Start with the first part, and once you got the first part memorized, get to the second part. The second part is gonna be easy too, and finish it with the close. And once you have that, now you have it all together like this. Oh, damn. Run it back. And then now the best thing about it is to grab the YouTube video, Smoke on the Water, and pull it up right next to it and play it. And I'll see you in the next one.